Hello friends, welcome to Indian GK Guide channel. In this video, you are going to learn 50 important GK questions regarding the list of first persons in India male. Let's get into video. First Prime Minister of India, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. First President of Republic India, Dr. Rajendra Prasad. First President of Indian National Congress, W.C. Banerjee. First Muslim President of Indian National Congress, Badruddin Tayyabji. First Muslim President of India, Dr. Zakir Hussain. Next, First Governor of Bengal, Lord Clive. First Governor General of Bengal, Warren Hastings. First Indian Governor General of Independent India, C. Rajagopalachari. First Viceroy of India, Lord Canning. First Speaker of the Lok Sabha, Ganesh Vasudev Molankar. First Home Minister of Independent India, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. First Education Minister of Independent India, Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad. First Vice President of India, Dr. Radhakrishnan. First Election Commissioner of India, Sukumar Sen. First Chief Justice of India, Harilal Kania. First Chief of Air Staff, Air Marshal Sir Thomas Elmhurst. First Indian Air Chief, S. Mukherjee. First Chief of Army Staff General, M. Rajendra Singh. First Chief of Naval Staff of India, Ramdas Katari. First Indian Commander-in-Chief of India, General Cariappa. First Indian Pilot, J.R.D. Tata. First Chief of Army Staff, Maharaj Rajendra Singh Ji. First person to reach Mount Everest without oxygen, Shirp Anga Daud Ji. First man to have climbed Mount Everest twice, Navang Gombu. First Indian man in space, Rakesh Sharma. First minister to resign from Indian Union Cabinet, Shyam Prasad Mukherjee. First Chief Justice of Supreme Court, Justice Hiralal Kania. First President of India who died while in office, Dr. Zakir Hussain. First Prime Minister of India who did not face the Parliament, Charan Singh. First Prime Minister of India who resigned without completing his full term, Morarji Desai. First Indian to join the Indian Civil Service, Satyendranath Tagore. First Indian to win Nobel Prize, Rabindranath Tagore. First Indian to get Nobel Prize in Physics, C.V. Raman. First person of Indian origin to receive Nobel Prize in Medicine, Hargobind Khurana. First person of Indian to receive Nobel Prize in Economics, Amartya Sen. First Indian to receive Bharat Ratna Award, Dr. Radhakrishnan. First foreigner to receive Bharat Ratna Award, Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan. First person to receive Jnanapeeth Award, Sri Shankar Kurup. First person to receive Paramveer Chakra, Major Somanath Sharma. First person to receive Stalin Prize. Saifuddin Kichlu. First batsman to score double century in one-day international cricket match. Sachin Tendulkar. First batsman to score 3 test centuries in 3 successive tests on debate. Mohammad Azharuddin. First Indian recipient of Wisden leading cricketer in the world. Virender Sehwag. First Indian recipient of International Cricket Council Sir Garfield Sobers Trophy. Rahul Dravid. The first Indian to win a gold medal at the Olympic Games. Abhinav Bindra. First sports person to get Bharat Ratna Award. Sachin Tendulkar. First Finance Minister of India. R.K. Shanmugam Chetty. First Sikh President of India. Gyani Zail Singh. First Law Minister of India. B.R. Ambedkar. First Indian to reach South Pole. Santosh George. Thank you friends for watching Indian GK Guide channel. If you like the video, please do subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click on like button.